Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of access failed on wallet app. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about wallet app and you will click here. Then this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about Google Wallet. If you find update, then you can update your app, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.